Guys, today I'm going to show you this chart, and this is actually not Bitcoin to the US dollar. This is something else I'm going to show you here, but this is very important. We're talking about Bitcoin on shorter time frames, what to pay attention to right now, and long-term stuff for Bitcoin as well. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And let's begin here on my support and resistance levels, because just like you know, yesterday I did tell you that we are not out of the woods yet and that we need to see us break above this orange box right here before I would put in a bullish trade here for a short-term trade. And as you can see, we're still struggling with the 4-hourly candles here inside of the orange box. This is why I was telling you this yesterday, because I knew that this was going to catch a lot of people by surprise, this $50,500 level up to $51,600. So right now you can see that we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles inside of the orange box, and we have actually been trying to break above this level a couple of times, but so far we have been failing. But just like I said yesterday, this is a bit of a consolidation pattern right here. So generally this is actually a bullish pattern because you have the flagpole right here, okay? There we go. And then you have the consolidation here. This usually follows the trend. The trend is right now up. So on shorter time frames, you can see that the trend has been going up recently. And this usually leads into a break above this. But just like I said, this is not a level to take lightly. This is a very strong level. So I wouldn't put in a trade before, until we break above this level. So that's what's going on the shorter time frames, guys. If we jump on over to the daily time frame, you can see that after breaking these resistance levels, this orange line right here, the red line right here, it seems like we're finding on the daily time frame some resistance in the middle of nowhere here. But of course, we now know that this is actually the orange box on the 4-hourly time frame. But apart from that, if we extend this level, this is also a level to pay attention to. If we have another pump here, well, expect $53,000 to also be resistance for Bitcoin. So I'm just extending the resistance line, which we have had previously here. But another thing I want to show you is if I take away this, people or whales and institutions, they are going to try to manipulate the markets right now during the holiday season. These couple of days during Christmas, because the volume is not really that high. So you can see that although we have had some nice bullish price action here, you're not seeing, massive volume candles here. So that's something to consider here. But taking away that, and on the daily time frame, flipping on the VPVR, you can see that we have small volume right here, but the next big level of volume is going to be here at 54,000 and 55,000. So this is going to be a level to consider as big resistance as well, just because the volume is here. And in fact, I do have an orange line here at 55,183. This is where I think the price is going to, get a reaction. If we see a big pump here, this is going to be a important level to pay attention to. Also, of course, if we do see a breakdown, you still have the longer term support level here at 45,700. Now, I want to talk about this chart. So this is Bitcoin compared to the Turkish lira. Now, the Turkish lira, which is the national currency of Turkey, is experiencing hyperinflation. This is going nuts right now. And what you can see is that, compared to Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been gaining so much value compared to the Turkish lira. You can see that from the COVID crash down here, the Turkish lira has actually lost, or Bitcoin has gone up by 3,500% here. That's obviously much more than what you saw Bitcoin go up compared to the dollar. And in fact, you can see that we made a new all-time high just a couple of days ago here, the 21st of December. We made a new all-time high here in Bitcoin to the Turkish lira. Now, why am I bringing this up? Well, of course, this is the fate every fiat currency is going to go eventually. Bitcoin is the purest form of store of value, in my opinion. And yes, it's obviously probably not going to get you those 1000x anymore. Maybe it's not even going to get you 100x anymore. But the important part is it's not going to go down compared to the fiat currencies over time. Short term, anything can happen, of course. But long term, it is going to just trend upwards because it is the purest form of money. It's the purest form of store of value. And so that's why I love Bitcoin so much. And every fiat currency is going to go the same fate as the Turkish lira. And everyone in Turkey, and this is an important one, everyone in Turkey who bought Bitcoin instead of holding the Turkish lira, they did pretty well. They were able to, not suffer as much as the people who were holding Turkish lira. The people who are getting paid in Turkish lira, they got completely rug pulled by Turkey here. And so Turkey, they are implementing some laws now. I don't know what this is. It's probably going to be, bad for crypto, because Turkey, they understand that people are fleeing to Bitcoin right now as their national currency is going down and down and down due to the money printing and due to other events. But this is going to wake people up. People are going to understand that, yeah, this is the fate every fiat currency is going to go. And the people who got into Bitcoin early in Turkey, not even early, just this year or 1 week ago or 1 month ago, whatever, as long as you're in Bitcoin, you fared much better than the people, stacking the Turkish lira here, which is only losing value. Okay, guys, that's what I got for you today. It's Christmas. It's a short video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.